In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create audio spectrum in Wave.video. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, animated waveform to your video and fine-tune it so it matches your brand and your audio. First, head to your Wave.video account and open My Projects. This is where all your videos live. Find the video you want to enhance with a spectrum and open it. You'll land on the project page, and from here, choose Edit Video to move into the full editor. That opens the timeline and canvas so you can work directly on the clip. On the timeline, look above your video track for the small plus icon. This is where you add overlays and effects that sit on top of your footage. Click the plus and select the waveform option. The waveform is Wave.video's audio spectrum effect, and it will drop onto your canvas immediately so you can see what you're working with. With the waveform selected, look to the right side of the screen for the settings panel. This is where you'll shape the look and behavior of the spectrum. Start with styles to pick a visual preset that fits your content. Styles control the basic form of the spectrum so it can be subtle for interviews or bold for music promos. Next, set the source. Choose the audio track you want the spectrum to react to. This can be the audio embedded in your video or any track already in the project. Getting the source right ensures the animation actually follows your sound. Use start time and end time to define the exact section of audio the waveform should respond to. This is handy if your video has a long intro or if you only want the spectrum during a chorus or a specific segment. Color fill lets you choose the spectrum color. Pick something that stays readable against your footage. If your background is busy, adjust background to add contrast or a subtle bass that keeps the spectrum visible. Period controls the rhythm and responsiveness of the animation. Slide it until the motion feels natural with your genre, whether that's punchy beats or smoother speech. If you want a bit more flair, enable glow for a soft light effect and use center to align the waveform precisely on the canvas. Now click play to preview. Watch how the spectrum moves with your audio. If something feels off, maybe the timing, the color, or the intensity, pause and tweak the settings on the right. A couple of small adjustments usually make a big difference. When you like what you see, you're done. You've created an audio spectrum in Wave.video that looks polished and reacts perfectly to your sound.